We are looking at how to pronounce this word. How do you say red, the color? In English, we'll be looking at how to, in Spanish, we'll be looking at how to say more Spanish vocabulary. So make sure to stay tuned. In Spanish, red is said as rojo, rojo. So that's ro, ro, rolling your R a little bit, ro, and then the jota sound is very guttural, h sound. You could replace it with an H sound if you're not able to pronounce the h sound and say rojo, rojo. If you can't roll your R or pronounce the J, say rojo. But in Spanish, rojo, rojo is how you say red. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more Spanish vocabulary. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.